At first glance, it looks like an ant, small, ordinary, harmless. But look closer, and you'll see something far more dangerous. This isn't an ant, it's a fly, a predator wearing a perfect disguise. Meet the ant fly, one of nature's most deceptive and fascinating creatures. Today, you'll discover why this tiny imposter plays a critical role in nature's balance and how it turns deception into a weapon of survival. The ant fly is one of evolution's most brilliant tricks. It looks, walks, and even moves like an ant, but it's not one of them. It doesn't serve a queen. It doesn't build nests. It doesn't collect food. It just pretends. Pretends long enough to hunt, feed, and keep nature's order alive. This insect isn't chaos. It's balance wearing camouflage. 10 functions of the ant fly in nature. 1. Predator and population controller. The ant fly hunts other small insects and their larvae. It eliminates the weak and the sick, keeping populations healthy. 2. Nature's quality filter. It targets only slow or infected individuals, helping the strong survive and the ecosystem stay clean. 3. Middle link in the food chain. It feeds on smaller insects and becomes food for spiders, birds, and wasps, a perfect example of natural balance. 4. Master of disguise. By mimicking ants, it scares off predators who think it's armed with a painful bite or acid sting. 5. Microbe carrier. On its legs, it transports spores and bacteria that help decompose organic matter. 6. Natural recycler. It feeds on the remains of dead insects, speeding up decomposition and nutrient return. 7. Cleaner of ant colonies. Some species lay eggs near ant trails. Their larvae feed on dead ants, removing waste and corpses from the colony. 8. Genetic innovator. Its mimicry drives evolution forward, forcing predators and prey to constantly adapt. 9. Soil and pollen carrier. As it moves through dust and plants, it helps mix pollen and organic particles, quietly aiding soil health. 10. Survival teacher. The ant fly proves that in nature, brains and patience can be stronger than claws or speed. 10 surprising facts about the ant fly. 1. It's not an ant, but even scientists get fooled. Its body, movement, and antenna are perfect copies. 2. No sting, but a needle-sharp proboscis. It pierces prey like a syringe and drains the fluids. 3. Its larvae are hidden predators. They live in the soil, waiting for passing insects, a silent ambush beneath your feet. 4. 2 lives in one. As larvae, killers. As adults, calm scavengers. 5. It steals the ant's scent. By absorbing chemical odors, it becomes invisible to real ants. 6. Its vision is tuned to daylight. It hunts when the heat slows everyone else down. 7. It moves in short, jerky bursts, exactly like an ant. This confuses predators. 8. Its flight is uneven, on purpose. A chaotic pattern makes it hard to catch. 9. Females lay eggs near ant nests, not inside them. Larvae find food on their own. No babysitting required. 10. Ancient people called it the ghost of the colony. They saw it among ants, but never knew what it truly was. Conclusion: the ant fly isn't a parasite. It's not a villain. It's a hidden guardian of balance, a silent agent of evolution. It reminds us that in nature, the most dangerous creatures are often the ones you don't notice. If you'll never look at flies the same way again, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and tell us in the comments, which creature do you think is nature's smartest survivor? Maybe that one will be the next story we uncover.